Hey everybody,
Live.
my name is Cody, and I'm the programmer for Lazy Goblins.
And
And
I'm
Johnny.
Johnny. Sorry. Sorry. I was just reading this comment about my boss at work. Anyway, sorry. I'm Johnny. I am the creative director. What else do I do? I do the modeling. So I do. Oh crap! I do characters. Then I gotta do a character. Oh god. Yeah,
This is our
I do
character.
everything that Cody doesn't do, which is program. I do everything else. So I do all the design. I do the level design. I get Cody motivated to do a podcast. I do everything.
Hey, I do our social media.
Okay, that is true because I'm not very good at communicating, as my wife and my friends have told me. I'm working on it. Not really. That is the worst grappling hook I've ever seen. Doesn't even look good.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I'm just teasing. Let's see. Okay, I like it.
It hooks into the socket. See?
I know, but that's kind of weird. Okay, I like how the physics works and pulls them up. So today, a lot of you are true diehard fans have probably noticed we have been gone for a while, and so today we're back.
Super busy.
Well, Cody has been. No, I've been busy too, just not as busy. I probably should have done the podcast without Cody, but I did not, so that's my fault. Yeah, that's the thing. We're still growing, we're still learning, we're still trying to figure out.
we are. I just did like 3 YouTube videos in the past couple days, and one of them, like everybody hated.
They hate it. What happened?
It just wasn't like structured well. Like people said I was just babbling on about nothing, and I didn't sound like it sounded like I didn't know what I was talking about, pretty much.
Oh yeah, you don't want to babble. You want to have a game plan going into everything.
Yeah,
just like a game.
I was just kind of shooting from the hip, you know.
Ooh.
I wanted to be raw. I wanted to be real with everybody.
That's what happens when he does stuff without me, guys. I apologize in advance.
It's Johnny's fault. See, it's not my fault. It's Johnny's fault. But I took down the video and everything, and I wrote a script for it. So I'm gonna be doing that again.
Wait, you wrote a script for the video?
Yep.
Oh, like a script to talk about.
Yeah.
Silly programmer. I just thought you meant you wrote a script for. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of code on screen. Make everybody watch that. You can complain.
Exactly. Yeah, look. So grapple it. You get grappling up.
So that is the grappling hook. Very nice. Okay. So we've been waiting for Cody, all of us, to get this done for about.
Finally got done. Oh, okay.
So it looks like it needs some work.
Yeah,
but
that's pretty cool.
That is cool, but you don't want to do that.
Yeah, it's like a pogo stick. Oh god.
That's why you don't want to do that.
Where'd he go?
He's gone. And you're never gonna get him back again. Can't even put another quarter in. So we're basically just coming back to talk about the game. Let you guys know that we've still been working on it. It's kind of just been a little bit of progress. Cody's been busy working on some jobs himself, and
but that stops today. Okay.
Yeah, I had to start paying him money in order for him to work for me.
Yep, $1 an hour.
Yep. So yeah, we're trying to get back into it. Cody got a mic. I will be getting a mic myself soon. And then we're going to start trying to shoot some other videos. I know we keep talking about videos. We keep talking about a lot of stuff we're doing. Do we write this down? You'd like someone to write this down.
No, you should write it down. Here,
I'll write it down. Write it down.
Are you writing it down or mine? We don't want to.
No, I'll write it down. I'll write it down. Because you'll write it down, I'll forget it. I need like a little notepad. Anyway, so I don't want to babble. Oh, I do have like a little dream journal. I don't want to babble.
Look at this, though. You can adjust the speed the player goes to the hook at.
Oh, nice. Why is this not in the scene? Have we not tested it in the scene? Is this in our project?
I just got it working not too long ago.
Wow. So now
I want to make sure it's as perfect as possible before I put it in the scene. Because now there's this bug.
Right. That bug. You don't want that bug.
Lie down.
So and that's I know we have a lot to actually do because we've talked about having people win contests on our channel. We talked about throwing a game jam. We got a lot to do. So
Yeah.
there's a lot going on.
We're gonna try to stick with it. I'm gonna try to keep making videos. I don't know what kind of videos I'm gonna make. Because apparently I'm not good at tutorial videos.
Well, we need to have. See, that's the thing. We need to have Tutorial Tuesday, where we shoot a video and we do some kind of tutorial on something because everyone loves tutorials. I love tutorials. We need to have a Friday thing, and the Friday things are normally just us discussing stuff about things that we've learned throughout the week, things that we've improved on, things mostly about game industry, getting in the game industry, what it's like, yeah, and then a little bit indie life because we're trying to be indie, because of course we'd love to make it that way. And then Mondays we're gonna try eventually. It might not be every Monday because I think we're gonna try to get 2 videos out a week, right? Because we're gonna do the podcasting on Monday or Fridays.
I'm gonna try to do more.
Okay, well we don't need to flood our channel with tutorials. It's not a tutorial channel.
I know.
It's about our game.
If I think of stuff, then I'll put it on.
It needs to be all about our game. So the whole point of this channel is to talk about our games that we're making and get our audience involved in what's going on and explain what we're doing and try to help each other out and get a community. Not tutorial library. Maybe we could do a subsection. Maybe Cody could start his own YouTube channel called Cody's Tutorials.
No, it's all part of the same thing.
I meant if you want to do a lot, I don't know what you want to do.
I don't know how many I'm gonna do. Just if something pops up, I'll just put it.
Well, that's the thing too. Is it's just hard time wise to do lots of videos for me.
Yeah.
So every we could always just show stuff what we're doing on Mondays. Just put a video on there and talk about what we're doing. Kind of go over almost like a big conference meeting. Just this is what we're doing.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's kind of what we've been up to. I got a lot of the second level stuff done. I haven't mapped out the level yet.
Ooh,
but
can you show us?
Yeah, of course I can. I don't know if you've seen any of this. Have you seen any of this?
I haven't.
So yeah, I've done a lot of this stuff. Turn on screen share.
So you just saw what I did. I did the grappling hook. Of course, it needs work, but we got some.
And can you see everything? Everything good?
Yeah.
So that's what I've been up to. So this is kind of our level. This is going to be one of the walls. Another wall. You want to have a plain wall, just to break it up. And this is going to be the turbo lift. You're going to take a little turbo lift down. And I have some different types. I have a damaged little platform. So in them, you'll probably just be a pit. So if you fall in, you die. And I have these little command center here. Maybe I'll have something on the screen. Try to make it kind of match with the little icon over here. So this is basically the alien spaceship that you're going to be in. So this will be a command center. You'll see a button. Maybe you have to push the button either to unlock stuff. I kind of have a rough estimate of how I want the level to kind of look. We're going to have some kind of puzzle type thing where you have to unlock these keys in order to move on. The ship's going to have partial power, so it's going to be flickering lights. Because it's an alien spaceship, so it still has a lot of power, but it's taking damage. And then you just have some detail. I'll probably have some crates over the gates, so when you're walking down, you don't just see the pipes. But I wanted to make it spaceshipy, but not too bad. And then I have this stuff. This will be hanging from the ceiling, something like that, as you're walking through. As you can tell, some of this kind of looks like this stuff. And that's part of what I was thinking is we've talked about before on the channel is how we're trying to make game not fast, but I'm more of the creative level design type, and I'm modeling and doing the art because it needs to get in order to make the games that we want. So I'm just kind of doing it, for us, but because sometimes it has to get done. So I don't want to focus all my energy on this stuff, but I want to make it look good. So I'll make it look good enough to be oh, that looks nice, color, stuff like that. Looks clean, looks worthy of being put on something because it's going to be our stamp on the end of the day. I want it to look good and be presentable and fun. And a lot of our games, we've always found that we're more fun, gameplay is story. There's kind of some kind of story, fun, funny, playable, those kind of things. We want, so it's like our core. It's like our core is like good story, and a fun game experience. Funny. We're just funny people. So there'll be some comedy in it. But yeah, so that's kind of what I got going on so far.
That's good.
Oh, and I could show the character. Have I shown the character on this yet?
Yeah, Lego man.
Yeah, I know I showed you. I don't know if I showed the audience. So it's kind of what he's looking like so far. Now, it's because, like I said, I like tutorials. So I actually paid for a tutorial to teach me how to make a character in Blender and rig it and everything else, make it move with animations. So for that purpose, I'm kind of making the character along the same path as what they have, so I can understand the physics and how it works and build the rig correctly. And then I'm going to adjust it a little bit. It's not going to be too much adjusted because I kind of think it looks cute. But what I love about it is the simplicity of the character. Like, I'm not a character artist, I'm not trying to make an amazing character that like looks so surreal and just, oh my gosh, the hair is flowing. Like, that's not my goal. So my goal is to make something simple and that works for our purpose, that has lots of functionality. And with this character, I'll be able to do like just some simple things with the face. So I don't have to really like do a full face. So this could be probably our character for most of our game. I might just change up the body a little bit, so it's not so boxy or something like that. But maybe like make it more like a waist.
Maybe take away the head part.
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna put a hat on it or something, or make the head like maybe just elongated or something like that. So it's not so
maybe
legally.
Change the hand a bit.
Basically flip. Well, I'll probably keep the hand. Like, I mean, I might make it look like one thumb and then like one thumb and then basically the hand. I won't make it look like a Lego. But because like I'm not gonna do all the hand and I gotta rig all the just to hold something. I'm not gonna do it. But it'll still look really simple, and but it'll still have the functionality that we need. So that's pretty much what I'm doing.
So we're gonna submit the game to Lego.
It's not a Lego guy. If I broaden out the shoulders, if I do this, look if I just, oh my gosh, there's so many vertices there. Jeez, so many vertices. I don't think you're allowed to have that many. And then I can just scale this bad boy. Boom, not a Lego guy. Big buff machine man.
It's a Roblox.
You can't sue someone for making blocks. Like a blocky character, you can't do that. The character's a character.
Might have to look into that. Any lawyers in the house?
No, I'm pretty sure it's okay. I looked it up myself. Yeah, and anyways, so it's keeping it to what we love, which is fun games with some kind of story, some kind of theme, something to go along. And yeah, it's pretty much it. So that's all I got.
Fantastic.
Well, and the thing is for people, Cody and I have been working on games for a long time together, and we've never really released like Cody has now. Cody has. Cody and I have not. Yeah. So Cody's like a big deal now. He's like a serious game developer.
Super big deal.
Probably doesn't even have his time for me. Like, he'd probably forget about me a couple more months. He'd be like,
imposter syndrome sitting in.
He'd be like, I'm working 16 hours in all these other games, and I have.
My imposter syndrome is very real right now with game development. But that's fine.
So yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to. I know we've been gone for a while. Oh, for the record, I have to just put this out there. We shot a video like last week.
We did.
And our head of social media, Mr. Cody Caro, what happened? You deleted it?
Yeah.
Is that what you did? Yeah. Oh yeah.
I was working and a little pop-up happened and it was like, you're running out of space on your hard drive. So I was like, well, crap, I got to get rid of some stuff. So I went to the videos and I was like, these take up a lot. And I just went delete.
And the funny thing is, it was probably the best video we've ever done, ever. And I don't remember anything.
But I
don't remember anything about it.
The
no.
One, it always.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Like in fishing stories, right? got this big fish on the line, and it just got away.
Yep. And it's I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Yeah. Okay, Mufasa.
Well, I mean, could have got 1,000 subscribers for that one video, but
We have gotten 3. We're up to 74
there you
right
go.
now.
Oh my gosh, we are growing.
We're moving.
Oh, I think we said. Oh, didn't we say if we get to like 200 or 500, we'd do we do a giveaway. That's what we said. 500. If we get to 500 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway, like a gift card to somewhere or something like that. For whoever the 500th person is.
We gotta take it up to HR.
I am.
You're HR.
So yeah, I'm HR. You gotta completely want to talk. Johnny is so hard on me sometimes. I take all very seriously. So very hard on you.
Very seriously.
Like, yeah. Give me an example. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Hi, everybody. We're back.
Hey, we're back. Yay.
Sorry about that. So that's another thing. So we've been having some technical difficulties where Cody lives. Fantastic, but not really. So I'll start
in the desert, out in the middle of nowhere. So the internet I have to depend on is a hotspot from Verizon.
Right. And I have hard connection right into the internet, so I will start with my internet connection, so that way we don't
stop sharing your screen. Maybe that's why.
Oh, yeah. Oh, is that? Oh. Leave call. Move share screen. Wait, how do you stop? Just
that one. Yeah.
That button. Found it.
We'll just do this on the phone.
Yeah. We'll start doing videos over the phone. Just call the entire internet and do like a group chat. I think I can do 3-way calling.
Oh, that'd be cool. But we're gonna start trying to. I think next podcast we're gonna try to have it set up so we'll have both of our faces on there and kind of just talking to one another.
Yeah.
Because we want to be personable.
Yeah, we want to start kind of just getting out there,
which means I'm gonna have to actually take showers and comb my hair now.
Fine. I'm sure we'll all be very.
Be what?
No, it's not that. We'll all be very happy about that.
Oh yes, for sure.
Definitely. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much kind of where we are. We got some stuff we're working on.
Yeah,
things we're growing on.
Nothing too big. Just the whole YouTube update. We're gonna try to, push that a bit harder. We'll make videos kind of when it makes sense, right? So like Johnny said, every Tuesday, we'll try to put out a tutorial. Every Friday, we'll have a podcast. At least every other Monday, we'll try to do a live stream. But
yeah, just about what we got going on, like just how the game's coming, what we're working on, anything like that.
Yeah, I might bring back the game dev tips series, where I just talk about kind of stuff that we talk about in the podcast normally, like how to stay motivated and stuff, just on a smaller scale. So if somebody just is like demotivated and types in how to stay motivated on YouTube, then when they run into ours, it'll be like a little 5 to 10 minute thing, a little motivation talk.
That'd be great. And that's the thing is like Cody has some great experience with that stuff, because he's been making games every day, so he's going to be a great source of just like how he gets through his day, what things he does. So
yeah, perfect. I don't get through. That's the key.
That's right. Barely making it. Yeah. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now, and just kind of small steps. I know. I'm sure some of you guys are kind of hoping that we go away, come back, we have some amazing stuff to show, which I think we do. Like I think most of the levels done. We just need to build it.
We have the grapple hook, which is like the main component.
that's the main component. So now we can actually start testing the level 1, which
It's
level
not
1's
perfect yet,
pretty
but
much done.
the
Yeah, like, and
foundation.
that's the thing is a lot of stuff's not perfect, but we're gonna get there. And it's we're growing together as Cody and I as indie developers, because we, like I said, we haven't released a game officially. We've done tons of game jams, and we've released stuff like that. And we worked on personal projects, and Cody's worked on some games, but we haven't. So in order to build our brand, we need to start releasing our own stuff. So that's kind of where we're at.
We want to build this brand so that we can build it up and do it as our main thing.
Right. And the thing is like right now we have this game plan, this little platform, because we thought something simple that we can kind of just get done. And then we have some big projects, but not overwhelmingly big, but like big projects that we think are going to be a lot of fun coming down the pipe. So we're really excited.
We just kind of need to do something, get it out there, get the release jitters out of us, and then we will start working on the more. I don't want to say this isn't serious because we're taking it seriously, but we'll work on the more kind of serious ideas that we think have a bit more potential.
The in-depth projects.
Yeah.
So it's all good and very exciting stuff coming. So
yes, I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited I could actually start focusing on Lazy Goblins more.
You know what, buddy? I am too. It makes a difference.
When I can and when I do, it's just it gets like when you have other stuff in the way. I'm sure you feel this with your job, but when you have like
yes, my job is very much in the way.
Yeah, sorry, when you have other stuff that you're doing, but you really want to do this, you really have this idea in your head, like we do with Lazy Goblins. You do kind of get demotivated and start to kind of drift away from it because it's a thing on the side. It's not really generating income yet. You're doing it in your free time. But, when, like for me, when I actually have time that I could like pour into it, then I start getting like more excited about it and everything like that. Like, even though it's still, not kind of what the return on investment, I guess, isn't anywhere. It still brings back like the motivation of working on Lazy Goblins and the vision that we had for the future and everything. Because when you have all this other stuff, like I had all the other contracts I had to do. Johnny has his work. When you do that, you're just tired at the end of the day. And when you think of, doing your stuff on the side, you just are like, really? I really have to do this today? And then obviously sometimes more than others, it's a no, because you're logically thinking, you're like, well, it's not really generating anything for me right now, and I'm tired. I think it'd be better if I just go to sleep.
Well, that's the thing too, is like so that's the funny thing is like, so Cody and I had this big talk before, we started all these projects, and said, look, because we both wanted to be programmers, and so I've been coding, and I wanted to get into it and just code, but it's so different. So I was like, we can't make games with two programmers. You need someone to do the art. And we bought an asset pack once, and like we tried to do some stuff, but we kind of, I don't know if it's because we weren't making it ourselves, like from the ground up.
I think that's what it was.
Like, it's like you're trying to form an idea.
Yeah, the asset pack was so freaking cool and everything, but like it wasn't ours.
Yeah, and so like you have to really formulate the game around that asset pack. So you're like, well, how is this gonna work? What are we gonna do? Well, and then you kind of start thinking about your ideas, and you're like, I don't know if I kind of like that. So like, I think asset packs are great. What do you find? So you talk everything out about what you want, and then you find the asset pack that fits what you want. I think we just bought one thing and let's just make a game, and then we didn't really planning out like a plan of what we're gonna do with this. So, but so we were like, well, we need someone to do the art then. So I was like, you know what? I actually really enjoy 3D modeling. We're not gonna do any 2D art crap because I'm not good at 2D art. That's not my thing. Internet.
Yeah.
No, that's
internet cut out again. We were talking about 2D artists.
2D art. Is that where it cut out? Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
everything I said. So I was saying so I decided to do the art, and the funny thing is, normally you would always we'd be talking about making a game, and then you would always be ahead of me. You'd be like, "Oh, I already did this thing, and that thing's working, and I got the." I'm like, "Man, I can never keep up." Oh, man, Cody's amazing. And now I'm like, "Oh, level 1's done. I got that art done. This is working." And he's like, "Oh, I can't do the grappling hook." Oh, I'm so. And I'm like, "Okay, cool. Well, I'll just start doing level 2 stuff." Hey, I started level 2 stuff. Here's a picture of this. Hey, oh yeah, I can't work on a grappling hook today. Okay, I'll just do more stuff. Oh, here's the rest. I think this is all the stuff I need. I think we're almost done. Yeah, that's cool. I can't get to it. So you're like, okay, well, wow. So, he just had a lot of work to do, and that happens, But you just gotta keep it going. So here we are, working. But yeah, and now I have now I got to get back into it and finish the other level, like the rest of the stuff, start putting it together, get the lighting going. Got to get that character done so Cody can make sure everything works with that character. So
yeah, because I'm coming.
Yeah, take your time, buddy. Once you get another contract,
hell no.
get another contract that takes all your time.
No, no. Oh god.
And see, that's the funny thing too, is because the job I have has nothing to do with games. So I'm like coming home, like I want to work on this stuff because this is what I want to do. And Cody spends his entire day working on games. So it's like he's like, oh, I don't want to work more on games right now.
Yeah, it's just such a hassle doing contract game work because 90% of the time people don't want to pay you what you're worth.
Well, that, and I think the thing is like what I've really learned is like, we all just want to work for like the most amazing person, or we want to be our own bosses, because you want to have your own schedule, and that's kind of what I want to do with this company. Is I want to get us, we need to hire a couple artists, but I don't want it to be like, all right, you have to work 9 to 5, and I need you to spend 8 hours making this thing. It's like I want it to be more almost like a school project, but except you can't procrastinate. Like here's your goal. We need this done by this day and this done by this day, and we check in like, okay, every Wednesday or Tuesday we have a meeting. Okay, how's this going? Let's see what you got. Okay, cool. Change this a little bit. Okay, and like just do stuff like that. Like that's what I love about some of the big studios. Naughty Dog, every day, they all critique where they're at. What are we doing? And that's open. Hey, I'm having trouble with this thing. Can you come check this out? And they critique it, and they're not nice about it in a way. I mean, they are, but it's professional. They're professional about it. Like, oh, I see this thing. This looks a little off. We need to fix it. And that's what I just love to have that free environment, and I don't want to feel like, oh, I got to work on this project for 8 hours. No, you space it out if you want.
You gotta do something, go do it.
Yeah, enjoy some life a little bit.
Yeah, definitely gotta enjoy life. So that's what we want to do. We want to get to a point where not only can we do that, but we can hire on a couple of people to do that as well.
And then we get super big and we hire on like 50 more people.
Yeah.
That's great.
That'd be amazing. Think about it. The best work environment.
Oh my gosh, it'd be like
LazyCast
all the time.
For no reason.
That's true. Cody's really lazy.
Definitely.
I'm like up all night. I'm like, what are you doing? Oh, I just got back from wherever. Oh, sweet. Are you ever at your computer? Yeah, I swear, I was just there.
Yeah.
But anyways, so yeah, I guess we're just touching base, just saying hi.
Yep.
And
hi.
Yeah. So Monday, we'll kind of do a live video. I don't know if maybe we'll try.
What time do you usually get on?
Well, Monday I have some stuff I have to do because it's my day off of work, so it's like Monday running around a little bit. So I'll be back home in the afternoon. My time will be probably around. I'm gonna try to be home like at 2 or 3 o'clock, something like that. Okay. So your time would be what, 1?
12 or 1, yeah.
At 1 o'clock. All Or yeah, so probably right around there. Do a little 45-minute, 30-minute video, just get to work.
Yeah,
That's pretty much it.
I think that'd be awesome. Start a live stream.
I know. I'm telling you. And then what we need to do in like a month or two, we need to just do a game jam, and then whoever's in here that wants to do a game jam with us can do a game jam with us, and then just stay up. And I think game jams are great to kind of like refresh the mind. It's almost like a reset of your mind, you know?
Yeah,
like
it's like a reset.
Yeah, get you all pumped up.
Yeah.
But yeah, so because Cody's internet sucks, he keeps having issues. Let's go ahead and drop call, and I'll start doing the live videos on my great internet connection. And yeah.
So that way, if I drop off, we'll just keep talking.
Yeah, pretty much. I think I'm a talker. Like, I've started to figure out talk a lot.
I think you are. You're the talker.
Yeah, and yet you're the one doing the social media.
I know. What's going on?
I just don't, get on there. Like,
it's because you're too old for technology. You can't.
That's so true. I'm getting up there. Oh my gosh.
No, wait. You're like.
Let's not talk about it. I'm
25, right?
Yeah, I'm 25. Yeah. Hi everybody, this is Grandpa Gamer. I'm here to talk to you about how we make games.
Oh my gosh, did you see that gamer grandma, the one that plays Skyrim?
Oh yes, she's amazing.
Yeah, she got invited to Bethesda.
I've never even been
invited
like
a whole studio tour and stuff. So
that's cool. Amazing. Bethesda, I would love to be invited. I'm pretty old. Like, love all your games.
We'll call him a midlife gamer.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the one that found my passion and finally am going for it. That's the kind of game I am. Done a lot of jobs.
It must be nice to just sit down and play games all day.
I make them. Yeah. After this call, I'm gonna go play Skyrim just because you hurt my feelings.
Hear that, Bethesda? Get us a tour.
I need an escape from this Cody real lifeness. All right, buddy.
All right.
The title of this is going to be "Wait for the End" because that's when it gets funny.
Hold on, I'm going to type that in the Discord. Wait for the end because that is when it gets funny. That's way too long of a title.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I was looking into some YouTube stuff, and they were saying titles should only be about 30 characters long.
Yeah, so blah blah. That's over your title. Blah goobity blah blah. Just kidding. It has to be like talking about games. So anyways. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm ready to get off.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah,
guys. Until Monday.
Until Monday. Yeah, Monday.
I might release. No, you know what? I won't release it. I'll wait to release it till Tuesday because that's when we're gonna have that. I'll just work on it.
Hey, I came up with that title for a reason.
I know.
The video that you do should have Tippity Tip Tuesday or Tippity Tip Tuesday, I guess, and the number. So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I call it
Unity Tips because that's better for the search algorithm of YouTube.
Okay. Unity Tip Tuesday.
I'll
okay, well, then we have to go change them all once we get 1,000 subscribers.
Tuesday.
All right, everybody. Until Monday, then. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Keep creating.
Yeah, that's our sign off now. Keep creating.